Welcome to A&M Education, College of Creativity and Technology. In this session, we will discuss on the topic memory stick. Memory stick, also known as memory card, is a digital storage device which is designed to be used with the portable electronic devices such as mobile phones, digital cameras, PDAs, iPod, etc. It was launched in 1998 by Sony and immediately gained popularity due to its support for fast data transfer speed and large storage capacity. Though the original memory stick provided storage capacity of up to 128 MB, nowadays memory sticks with a storage capacity of up to 32 GB are available in the market. Even the memory stick with the smallest storage capacity of up to 4 MB can store up to 80 images, which is much more than a standard 31/2-inch floppy disk. The memory stick can be removed from the portable device and accessed by a personal computer using memory stick capable memory card reader. Next is several different standards or formats of memory stick are available in the market. Those are, first one, Memory Stick Pro. It was introduced in the year 2003 jointly by two big companies, Sony and SanDisk. It supports marginally higher data transfer speed than the original one and provides theoretical storage capacity of up to 32 GB. It provides a 4-bit parallel interface with the theoretical transfer rates of up to 480 MB per second. It is widely used in high megapixel digital cameras and camcorders. Second one, Memory Stick Duo. It is a small size memory stick for small pocket-sized devices such as mobile phones, music players, digital cameras, etc. It has reduced the use of large size memory stick, which had been very popular for a long time. It is equipped with match gate technology that is used to encrypt the data stored on the card. It provides all the features of the large standard memory stick and is smaller in size but costs more. Third one, Memory Stick Pro Duo. Memory Stick Pro Duo provides larger memory space up to 32 GB and high speed of data transfer to the card or from the card. Fourth, Memory Stick Pro HD Duo. It was introduced by Sony and SanDisk in 2006. Memory Stick Pro HD Duo has an 8-bit parallel interface. In addition, the clock frequency has increased from 40 MHz to 60 MHz in Memory Stick Pro HD Duo. With these improvements, it provides a higher transfer speed than the Memory Stick Pro Duo. Last one, Memory Stick Micro, that is M2. It is a light and compact storage media which comes in the dimension of 15 mm into 12.5 mm into 1.2 mm. It has developed to meet the demands of the mobile devices in the market. It offers large storage capacity ranging from 16 MB to 32 GB and transfer speed of 160 MBs.